Have you ever thought about how cool it is that you know how to read? Most people in the modern world take literacy for granted. Being able to read and write is so common now that it seems normal, but it wasn't always that way. For most of human history, only the rich or elite were able to read and write, and only recently has it become more common. Think about it. Because you learn to read and write, you can learn anything you want by searching on Google. Step into new worlds by reading books, know where you're going by reading street signs, communicate quickly by texting, interact with others on social media, and so much more. The possibilities are endless, and you owe it all to your literacy. So why aren't we pushing music literacy like we are language literacy? In the US, where 99% of people can read and write at least one language, less than 4% can read and write music. Even among those who can, it's rare to find someone who can read any music put in front of them without first having to learn it. Just as reading and writing a language opens a world of possibilities, so does being able to read music. This month, we want to help you reach your sight reading goals with the Sight Reading Challenge. The SASR, or Standard Assessment of Sight Reading, assesses your sight reading ability and helps you keep track of your progress over time. And this month, you'll earn entries into a drawing for prizes as you play. The more minutes you rack up playing the SASR, the more entries you'll earn in the drawing. And the more you play, the more quickly you'll progress in your sight reading. So get ready, get set, get reading. There's a whole world of possibilities awaiting you.